Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to get your PayPal link. To begin, securely log into your PayPal account through their official website or the mobile application. Once you are logged in, navigate directly to the Send and Request tab, which you will find prominently displayed near the top of your screen. Within this section, look for the options related to requesting money or specifically for sharing your unique PayPal. MeLink, setting the stage for convenient payments. Creating your PayPal. MeLink is a straightforward process that grants you a personalized URL. You will be prompted to choose a unique username, which will become a part of your custom link, like PayPal, me/yourname. After selecting your desired username, carefully review and accept the terms and conditions of service. Once confirmed, your brand new, personalized PayPal MeLink will be immediately active and ready for you to share with anyone who wishes to send you money. Sharing your newly created PayPal. MeLink is incredibly flexible, making it simple for others to pay you. You can easily share it by sending a quick text message or an email to anyone you need to receive money from. Additionally, feel free to embed this link directly onto your social media profiles, your personal blog, or any website you manage. When someone clicks your link, they are instantly directed to a secure page where they can send you money with just a few clicks. For even greater convenience, you can add a specific amount directly to your PayPal MeLink. This allows you to request an exact sum, for instance, by adding /500 to the end of your link, which is especially useful for specific invoices. You can also customize the payment purpose, guiding your recipients on what the payment is for. This functionality significantly streamlines the entire payment process, making it incredibly efficient for both you and the person sending the funds.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.